So, we all know that next week Tuesday is the big day, it's CPI. So, I want to prepare myself for this CPI. But in this video, I'm going to go through a few things about the CPI. Things like what is that CPI and which currency does it affect and how to trade it. So, if you watch this video till the end, you will get the strategy on how to trade CPI, right? So stick tuned till the end of the video. When we talk about CPI, we are talking about Consumer Price Index. It measures inflation. Inflation, the prices of our everyday things like food, rent, and clothes, if the prices have gone up or down. It drops monthly, and therefore, this is a high impact news event, and it moves the US dollar in most cases. When inflation is high, central banks like Fed increase interest rates, right? And that makes the USD stronger. And when inflation is low, it means they might cut the rate. That would lead to the USD weakening. And during this process, the market can move drastically, covering like it could be completely volatile, jump in one specific direction, whether the dollar has gained power or it has lost power. And depending on which side of the pair is the dollar, is it a base or a quote currency, if you understand what I'm saying. Now that we got that out of the way, you now know what is CPI and how it affects the dollar. But now it's time for us to do what? Let me play you a video of one of these events taking place, and I will be trading it. So watch the video next. If you're interested in knowing how to read this data in less than 5 minutes, then you are in luck. I've put together a masterclass on data reading for CPI and NFP. It's a simple step-by-step strategy. It will take you less than 5 minutes, right? So what I will do is so simple. If you are interested, I'll leave my numbers down in the description and here on the screen, right? And then we'll go on a one-on-one call and I share the strategy with you. Now let's get back to the video. As you saw, during these events, it's either you're going to get a high payout or lose your money completely because they are so quick and they move a very, very, very large distance in most cases, roughly between 150 points to 300 points. As I promised, I'm about to end the video. This video was short. I said I am going to give you a strategy on how to actually trade these CPIs. What you want to do is to actually get information about this CPI, right? Information is there online. There are like sites like Forex Factory, FX Street, and all those, right? So you want to go to websites like that and do what? And read the data about the CPI. You go to your Forex Factory and check the data there, the actual, the previous, and what is forecast, what is expected of the dollar. Are they expecting the dollar to gain power or lose power, right? So you do that. You go there, read the data, and then if you read that the data is going to weaken the dollar, then you would expect maybe, let's say, USD JPY to go down instead of going up, right? If it's going to weaken. But if it's going to gain strength, if it's going to gain the power, then you would expect like something like USD JPY to go up instead of down, if you get what I'm saying, because the USD is the quote currency, you understand? Or is it a base? I forgot which one is which. So yeah, throughout this journey of fundamentals trading, I came across my own way of understanding the data reading. So if you would like to get to know how to actually read the data and make your life simple when it comes to trading these fundamentals, I've put together something down in the description, but I'm going to leave a link where you have to fill up and then you tell me a bit about yourself and what you think about CPI. Have you traded it before? What were your takeaways during those events? And what would you tell someone else about CPI? Like, what have you learned? What can you share? You understand? So, if you don't want to get hands on this thing, I've put together a simple strategy. It won't take you 5 minutes to actually complete. And then you would be able to know it's going to help you read the data accurately and fast, less than 5 minutes, and let you know which direction the market will go during those events. So, love you all, guys. See you in the next.